Oh. There we go. Alrighty guys, we're back at it today. Just trying to get a LifeUpTrading account passed real quick. So yeah, we're gonna keep
Order
with what we were
order
doing yesterday,
submitted.
which is
Order
longing
submitted.
everything.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, this has a... I gotta remember the rules to this account. I think it's max drawdown of 1,200 in a day, so I gotta be more careful with this one.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
But yeah, today just trying again to, like I said, pass another account. Trying to get some PAs going.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Strategy seems to be working pretty nicely in the long position.
Order filled.
As I say that, we're about to get destroyed here. Let's see where it goes.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
A few flips here. So for this, we just got to get it to 53 as well. Same as like the Apex account we were working on yesterday. If we do that, we can do it in one day, get it to pass nice and easy.
Order filled.
Let's look at the bigger picture here. Yeah, that was a huge drop. You know me, always wanting to short. Good thing I didn't keep trading yesterday, because I kept buying. This looks like a retest of some earlier levels, and I don't know. No one really knows.
Order filled.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to close out of this one here. I'm probably actually gonna blow this account immediately today. If I do, I'm gonna be done streaming today, guys. Sorry. I didn't really get to prep a lot of stuff or figure out my work stuff I gotta take care of. So I kind of just hopped on thinking I'll trade. It's not gonna blow the account, but it's gonna stop it from trading today if I go over 1,200, I think. That might just be the PA account though, I'm not sure. Because it definitely went over 1,200 there, but I think it has to be over 1,250.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright, seems like we still have it for now. Oh shit. Discord always coming up.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's squeezing. Oh dude, you know this is totally trying to submit that last order and just failing, I think. See, it creating limit order,
Order
3.
filled.
This one down here, that sets it for 75. I'm gonna actually change my
Order canceled.
strategy here, so we're not worried about that. Say 30 there. Boom. Alright.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
So yeah, I think the eval count that I'm playing on right now is definitely a bit more loose than the eval is definitely more loose than the performance account. So I think some of this stuff might have to be changed when I'm on that, but we'll see what happens.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's chopping around a lot. Yeah,
Order filled.
Earlier today, actually, pretty crazy. Finally retracing from all that.
Order
yesterday.
canceled.
But
Order submitted.
yeah, probably gonna try to fill that back in, I would imagine. Let me quickly check the true source of the market. The true indicator. Holy cow, these things are flying around up here. What's going on?
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Alright, this could just drop right down and absolutely destroy this account, but
Order filled.
yeah, we're still headed down overall. Big trend down in the grand scheme of things, but we're in a momentary dip that people are trying to celebrate and buy through. So, gonna keep longing.
Order submitted.
Dude, what just happened? It jumped so fast that none of my my limit literally didn't even get hit. It just went right through it and went back up. That's crazy.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I think I might go for a higher spread on these limit orders for this account since I have less drawdown to deal with.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
So yeah, what I'm going to do here actually is channel base threshold. We're going to set that to 20. Let's see what happens. Bye.
Order
So
submitted.
they go further away. So for this, we should definitely have a little bit more leeway when it actually dips because
Order
we're not
canceled.
committing as much as fast.
Order
but
submitted.
we'll still have to watch it. But the 30 micros is pretty limiting. Definitely
Order
prefer the other
canceled.
accounts like the Apex ones that allow
Order
me to do 100
submitted.
at a time. That's why I want a 300k account so bad, because I can get 350 micros on that. Spread out so many different trades.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Yeah, it's just gonna keep going up. People finally are like, it's done dipping, and now everyone's buying.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Retracing a good bit of this huge gap from
Order
that earlier
canceled.
fall.
Order
Dude.
submitted.
I should have just put them all in here and just held. Would have already passed the account. But how am I to know that? So I adjusted how far apart these limit orders are now, so I actually do need to watch the unrealized as it drops just to make sure I'm aware of how much it's actually losing, what the negative value currently is actually at. So I'll be lower, more unrealized loss the further it goes, but at a slower increase, if that makes sense. We were committing 20 contracts earlier, like right up here from the entry point. Or now we're covering a bit further down, just to try to avoid the 1200 drawdown loss limit that you can hit for the daily loss, separate from the total drawdown that they enforce. RSI is having a steep incline, but honestly, if it's not above 70, it still feels like it's bullish with how the markets have been. So this range, pretty wild, like $200 worth.
Order filled.
Yeah, it kind of feels like switching around the gap in between the limit orders here was a good call. Because even if it does fall now down to this 20, I don't expect it to plunge much further than that. There's quite a bit of support down here, so it might just dip down. If it does touch that, bounce back up. Alright, let's see if this does it. So I'm thinking maybe a quick touch of that and then up, but maybe we already hit the little bottom there as it came into this support right here. Longing never fails, so at least that's what the motto I'm trying to live by right now. Gosh, I think I need to get some socks on. It's actually pretty cold over here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Grabbing socks. All right. Looks like it's pushing based off of the bottom of all these kind of heading up. We'll see where this candle goes. As soon as I say that, it starts to push down, but I'm not worried.
Order filled.
Alrighty. sheesh. Okay, yeah, huge drop. Maybe it'll recover just enough to get us out. Should I have closed there?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No,
Order
look at
filled.
it.
Order submitted.
There's a minimal win there, but nice to get out quick when it might push further down.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Trying to get some clarification on take profit traders rules right now, because they have no trading bots or algorithms, and it literally says like all trades must be manually executed by the trader. So I'm trying to understand if even like the ATM strategies are allowed or not, because technically those are automated. You enter and then it automatically places a stop loss and a take profit, and those are two separate orders that it places. So the rules are not clear. Alright, I'm gonna leave that window up. Let's see what happens.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Another buy. So I'm thinking about adjusting it so that the orders spread out further the more they get placed. So like the first limit, the 4, would be a bit closer to maybe get hit so that if we're in the trade for a longer period of time, it's more worth it. And then spread out the other legs a little bit further than that.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Just keep hitting buy. Just keep hitting buy, guys. There's this huge area it's still got to fill. Price can still fly up and bounce off of this SMA here. This is the long SMA, so it's probably going to be approaching that, right? A little bit at least. Might hit it and bounce, come back down, but
Order canceled. Order submitted.
we're going to keep buying. I'm at 20. I might move him to 15 or so. Get a little bit more action going after this this one closes out.
Order filled.
What a fall. Big fall, big fall. Oh man, still pretty tired. I just want a few really huge trades to just pass this account and then get on with some other stuff. So I was thinking also the live streaming stuff. It's cool and all, but I'll probably refine this a bit so that I'm mostly just putting out videos of content on these actual strategies. Live streaming can take a good bit of time, and having to always do it at the same time every day is kind of a pain when I have other things I always got to work on. So it's easier to fit in some video editing rather than always streaming. Figure I would still stream to an extent, but see, you think this will get hit? Maybe. And then it'll fly up. Hopefully.
Order filled.
Right, there's that. Watching the unrealized. Really don't want that to go beyond,
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm guessing it just closed out there. I didn't see the order. But yeah, it did. Happened too fast.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order
Whoa.
submitted. Order submitted.
So the whole point of this algorithm or strategy I'm trying to make here is like, as soon as it exits, it re-enters, and like just always ready to enter and shuffle along whatever the current market price is. Obviously, there's a lot of limitations when it comes to a PA account or eval account, prop trading account. So I can't recommend using this for those types of accounts necessarily, but I do have my reasons. It's more exciting. Way more exciting. Ah. Might even call it at like halfway point today. Yeah, ultimately it'd be nice to not have to do prop trading and do like just my own live trading exclusively. It's right now just trying to get into prop trading just to learn NinjaTrader and the tools around that, because I know there's a lot of community that needs to learn how to trade and understand the risks, and it is very much a game that has risks and rules. But I really don't like all the rules of the prop trading world. I understand why they want to make sure that everything is like bulletproof so they're not losing money when they're using algorithms to mimic your trades or whatever, but still. Dude, this one's been like for 3 minutes now, doing nothing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna copy my strategy, but I'm doing it manually now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
She...
Order cancelled.
I needed to tick up real quick. Oh no. Well, I think we'll be okay. I do think this is still gonna just tick up slightly. I'm gonna try to close it once it's like
Order
there
filled.
we go. Just because we committed so many. I should have waited. I knew it was gonna go up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, look at that insane jump.
Order filled. 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 Order submitted. Order filled.
It's about to go up to that SMA.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
I do think there's going to be a bit of retracement here. A little bit down. This was a huge candle up. There's a lot of space in between that was kind of just left shot by. But it could also just blow right past this. That's why I'm kind of just holding right here. Yeah, it's getting close.
Order filled.
So what I'm going to try to do is get it the lowest point of its dip here and then ride it all the way up for a lot. Oh man, that's shooting back up. I really thought it was going to go a little bit further than that, actually. Like it went in and touched that gap. Yeah, so we're still waiting.
Order submitted.
Yeah, might not actually hit that.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, I didn't mean to hit 4.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hoping this goes down, but I kind of want to hit that big buy limit. It might break through the SMA here, though. This is what I was thinking about earlier. It's been green, but it's just not been enough to actually close out on. I feel like, yeah, there's so much potential. If I close out here, it might just shoot up. Almost hit it. Really thought that would have been it. Maybe this one will dip down and that'll be the one, and then it'll bounce back up and fly up. I was thinking about the long position. Convincing everyone to get into the long would be great for someone who wants to collapse the economy. Or everything, for that matter. Good play. Long is just too good right now. I feel like I would have been stopped out already if I was shorting most of this. This is just a slight change in strategy. It seems to work pretty well past couple days. Oh man, I'm gonna, yeah, just not talk. Not worth it, dude.
Order canceled. Order filled.
This is going to plus 30 points right now. At least. I'm just holding it. That would have gotten stopped out on a PA. That's not good. Alright.
Order filled.
Sheesh. We closed there. Maybe next time. Maybe tomorrow we'll get the account passed, but I didn't want to lose the account there. Alright guys, I will catch you later. Thanks for tuning in.